This toaster from Tefal features removable crumb trays, which allow for fuss-free cleaning and keeps your kitchen counter spotless. The fluted design has a stunning high-gloss finish and eye-catching aesthetic, so you can add some vibrancy to your kitchen worktop with a splash of colour that's sure to complement any interior design. 7 browning levels ensure that you can easily toast to your taste. Whether you like your toast golden brown or lightly done, get the perfect slice every time. The sizeable slots are wide enough to easily accommodate even thick-cut slices of bread, and you can toast up to 4 slices simultaneously, giving you flexibility that lets you toast with ease. Even smaller items can be safely and easily removed thanks to the high lift extraction on this Tefal toaster.